2026 GMC Sierra 1500. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It strikes the perfect balance of fun and function while offering lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, power driver's seat, Bluetooth, keyless start, auto climate control, keyless entry. Not finding what you're looking for? Give us your feedback.